In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove or increase your ad account spending limit. Okay, now what is ad account spending limit? Now this is the limit of amount or the maximum amount you can spend on your ad account each month. Now, for example, if your ad account spending limit is $10, or let's say 5,000 naira. Okay, now once you've spent this amount on Facebook, you will no longer run ad for that month until you either remove it or increase it. Then you can run ad. Okay, now sometimes this ad account spending limit comes by default. Okay, sometimes immediately you open a new Facebook ad account, it has a default spending limit. All right, so and many people don't know and they don't remove it, and along the line they start saying that they can't run ad. Now another thing you need to know is that this ad account limitation spending limit comes with postpaid Facebook ad accounts. Okay, postpaid Facebook ad accounts are ad accounts that pay for their ad after the ad is done or is complete. Okay, so why prepaid Facebook ad accounts are ad accounts that they fund their ad account before they can run ad. Okay, so they pay before they run the ad. Why postpaid, you pay after you've run the ad. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to do this with your phone. So you need to download the Meta Ads Manager. Okay, once you download it, you log in and you click on this settings icon. Okay, wherever you see it on your phone, you click on it and you go to payments. All right, now you see account spending limit. Okay, now when you see this account spending limit, you now tap on it. All right, now you can either reset it or you will see edit. Okay, when you click on edit, you'll be asked to change it. You can increase it or you can reduce it. All right, or you can remove it. Now when you remove it, it means your ad account will not have any spending limit. You can spend as much as you want. Okay, so this is how to either increase it, reduce it, or remove it. Okay, so you just go to your settings. Okay, click on payments, then click on account spending limit and you click on edit. All right, you click on edit. Now I'm going to open my other ad account to show you how it looks like when you don't have any spending limit on it. All right, now this is my other ad account. Okay, now you can see that there is no spending limit set here, so it means that I don't have any limit on this ad account. So even if I want to create or set a limit, I will just tap on it as well and click set a limit. So this is how you can either set a limit on your spending, okay, or you can increase it or reduce it.